Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable, sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end. Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Wednesday, 4th September 2024, Nifty index opened positive above 25,300 but slipped lower from its opening level. It remained consolidated within a narrow range of around 50 to 60 points for most part of the day. It respected its previous day's low of exactly 25,235 mark and witnessed some recovery towards the second half of the session. Now Nifty continues its first ever winning streak record of the last 14 sessions. It formed a small-bodied bearish candle on the daily frame with longer lower shadow indicating absorption at any minor dips. Now India VIX was down by around 1.5% to 13.8 levels. Nifty put call ratio increased to 1.2. Volatility has been hovering in a narrow band at its lower zones, which is paving way for the bulls. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,900 to 25,700, while immediate range is in between 25,000 to 25,500. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 1,030 crores, while DIIs were net buyers worth 1,896 crores. FII's index long-short ratio marginally increased to 70.2%. Markets are anticipated to open on a weak note due to significant decline in the global markets, but overall declines could be bought due to strength in our Indian market. Now, the lower than expected US manufacturing PMI data and a sharp 9% drop in the tech giant have pulled the US markets down. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data at price setup suggest Nifty has to continue to hold above 25,200 for an up move towards 25,400, then 25,500, while supports can be seen at 25,100, then 25,000 zones. Bank Nifty has to continue to hold above 51,500 for an up move towards 52,000, then 52,350, while on the downside, support can be seen at 51,500, then 51,250. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive stance was seen in financial, pharma, consumption, and tourism-related stocks. Now, stocks to keep on radar from the IT space, we have persistent OFSS emphasis looking quite positive. From the banking space, we have ICICI Bank, which has recently come out of its range. From the auto space, we have the two-wheeler space, which is looking quite positive, especially Hero MotoCorp. From power, we have PFC, and from the financial counters, we have HDFC Life, SBI Card, and SBI Life looking quite good. Some weakness could be seen in Petronet, Marico, SAIL, PNB, Hindalco, NMDC, and Tata Steel. Wish you a super trading day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice. Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.